I've had to suppress everything I've been feeling all week long to survive. And the church becomes a safe place. It's the one place where I can be everything God made me to be with no repercussions. I can be loud. I can be crazy. I can run. I can dance. And you know what? Folks will join me.
Amen.
They don't look at me like I done lost my mind. Let me go to my white brothers and sisters church and take a lap. I'm about to get tackled by security. Up, we got a runner. Get him, guys. Get him. It's just different. And I'm not saying it's like it's right or wrong. I'm just telling you, these are some of the differences. So when we talk about multiculturalism and trying to join together and worship together, I'm telling you, this is some of the stuff you will see.